So this is going to be my biggest project yet. It looks amazing. I went ahead and opened it so that we can keep all of the paper rattling to a minimum. But this thing is huge. It is 114 different colors. So I have 4 of these little cards, the thick, nice cards for your thread. I love those organizers, they're my favorite. There's technically 4 pages of the symbols, 2 that'll show you just like grouping the different symbols together, which I love that. That's the one I'm going to end up using. And then the last 2 are just the symbols in order from the first all the way to the 114th. It's going to be, this one is, I think, it's 242. Okay, so it's 242 high. Sorry that my light is like literally behind me, so there is a shadow. I have to pick it up, but it's 242 with the height, and then it is 500 and I want to say 20. Yes, 520 wide. It's so long. I am excited about this one. This is definitely going to be the biggest project that I have started thus far. It's 18 count, so yeah. And then of course we got our extras. This time I got 782, and we have some more rubber fingers. We have our needles, obviously, and another pair of scissors because you can never have too many. So yeah, I have 2 more packages coming, 2 of which I've been wanting and waiting for, so I'm excited about it. Probably not going to start this one anytime soon just because I have 19. I have 19 whips right now, just for cross stitch, so yeah. That is my painting fairy cross stitch haul for this go round.